Hello, Kuya Joey. The first time that we met, I was with my SFC Haro chapter 12 years ago, and we had a regional conference, and you were feeling not quite well because you had high blood. So thank you for allowing us to take care of you for a little bit at that time. And now we met last year again for Gawad Kalinga. And of course, how can I not forget your big mustache and your "Hello, Joanna," that particular tone. So, Kuya, thank you for being our Gawad Kalinga Iloilo Provincial Head. You know, everything has destiny, and we have met again, and for this man group members. And ako personally, I would like to thank you for your wisdom, your guidance, and your counsel whenever there are doubts or fears in the task ahead, especially for Gawad Kalinga. So thank you for your support, and may God bless you, your family. You have a beautiful family, beautiful wife. May you just continue to take care of them also, and take care also of us and the poor brethren. Happy birthday!
Sa'yo.